Concepts of value and waste are a critical aspect of any process improvement. Identification and elimination of waste is the central focus of Lean Six Sigma. Value is the activity for which a customer is willing to pay. Any activity for which customer is not interested to pay is called a waste. Let's see how Redcar Z manufacturing unit reduce waste. Redcar Z is a global manufacturer of premium sports car. For the last 2 years, CEO Juliet had difficult time providing good dividend to shareholders and to attend target profit. Juliet appointed Vikram, a Lean Six Sigma expert, to explore possible process improvement opportunities. The first question to Vikram was which activities do not add any value to Redcar's manufacturing process and create burden on the process flow. Vikram decided to visit plants and meet with the manufacturing plant heads and discuss with plant workers to understand the process and issues. This methodology is called Gemba. Gemba or Genba is a Japanese term meaning the actual place where value is created. In manufacturing, the Genba is the factory floor where the problems are visible. The Gemba walk, much like management by walking around, is an activity that takes management to the front lines to look for waste and opportunities. There are 8 types of waste: overproduction, excess motion, waiting, inventory, defect correction, excess processing, lost creativity, transportation. Vikram interacted with India manufacturing head and found that there were 500 car chassis left since the last 2 quarters, as they were expected a hike in sales for the local festival season. Redcar Z India unit has to take lease of an expensive commercial place near to shipyard to make an inventory of these car chassis. These are examples of waste, namely overproduction and inventory. Vikram also found that these car chassis will be transported to Australia for the final integration. Transportation is a type of waste. While discussing with Australian manufacturing head, Mr. Brown, Vikram found that the delivery to customers is pending as they are waiting for engines for the last 1 month. A sports car special engine is provided by a third party. They delayed scheduled delivery. Waiting is another waste in the process. Mr. John is heading business in North and South America. He was not happy about the cars shipped in the last 2 quarters. 15% of the cars have customer complaints about the acceleration rate, which required rework. While discussing the issue with India manufacturing head explained this, maybe new vendors were supplying the engines, and they are not familiar initial with the technicalities of the sports car. This is an example of rework, which is another type of waste. Vikram set up a meeting with all the regional heads and found that there was waste out of overprocessing, motion, and intellect as well. Check our next video to watch how lean tools are used to reduce waste. You can be the next superstar of your company by identifying problems and developing cutting-edge solutions to improve the profit line. Connect with us at info@prosage.com or 9198-666-27006 to talk to our training advisor on Lean Six Sigma courses to know more.